Yeah, what's up everyone? Kira here. In this video, I'm about to show y'all, I'm about to tell y'all the best advice that you will ever hear from anyone in social media or YouTube or whatever. The best advice to make your first $10,000 in stock market. And by the way, I'm not a financial advisor, though. I have to tell you again, I'm not a financial advisor. I do stocks. I'm good at stocks. I do stocks. I'm good. I analyze stocks and everything. The advice that I will give you is don't invest in big companies in the stock market like Amazon, Tesla, Google, Apple, Microsoft. These companies, never invest in these companies if you are a beginner. Never listen to these YouTubers who tell y'all that you should invest in these big companies. Never do that, because these companies surpass their roof. They can't get any higher easily. Let's say for example, Google will grow like 5% per share every year. That means if you had $1 million and you invest the whole $1 million in this company, you will earn only $50,000 per year. It's quite a little. It's not enough. So somebody's gonna tell me, what shall I do then if I'm not gonna invest in these companies? I'll tell you what you should do. You should invest in penny stocks that are very low, and they got a great potential to grow in the next few weeks, maybe weeks. Penny stocks usually takes like maybe 2 weeks, 1 week to 2 weeks to grow a lot. You got that, penny, and maybe crypto. Crypto is a little bit down right now, so you might want to take a chance on it, but I don't support it, and I don't think it's a good idea to invest in crypto right now. So penny stocks are the move for right now. By the way, if you are a beginner, never invest in these the companies I tell you earlier, the big companies. You will never be financially free if you do that. So if you want to learn more about stock market, cryptos, penny stocks, just comment below and leave a like and a subscribe and follow me. I will teach you everything I know, because I'm very good at stocks. Take care.